Hello there and welcome to Central Finland. We are having the snowstorm day number 3, I think. Only one day was planned, but yesterday it was still snowing and today looks like it's going to snow once again. But I think it's not that windy anymore. Maybe. Let's see. I have already cleaned the car, I think twice, so that when I have to drive somewhere it's not that full of snow. And now I have to drive somewhere. Oh, the wrong door. So now I have to clean it. So we are here in Central Finland and it is about the 20th, 21st or so, day of November, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So as you can see, it's getting bright again, slowly but steady. I always forget to take these wipers. It'd be easier if they were like this in the air when it's snowing and so on. But we have this motor engine heating system. I don't know how you call it, Webasto, whatsoever. That's why I don't have to clean the car that good, because when I put the heating on, then it's not anymore that frozen. But I have to take all this snow away, because otherwise it's been so thick and heavy. But should I put this down again? I don't know. I know nothing about cars. That is my problem, because I hate cars. Cars are so boring. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Oops. Oh. So, let's see. Oh, and I think I didn't tell you where am I going, but I'll tell you, I think, later. Let's see how it is, because it's the very first time for this season, for this winter. Let's see. Usually the dog is always with me everywhere, but now it's too cold for him, so then he stays always on the window. So let's test. Soupy. Very good. I have to drive very slow here in our road, because the tractor took so much ground with it, because the ground is not frozen yet. That's why here are some bigger holes and some holes where there are stones missing, and we are not quite sure where the stones are, because it is snowing all the time, so we really can't see it. But I think now it's good. Those who were here last year, they know what a great winter we experienced last year. It was very cold and very long, and that's why we were, of course, expecting also this year something. Maybe not that cold, but something like a real winter, because we are here in Finland after all. However, yeah, it has been a long autumn this time, I would say. because now it's already end of November, and this is actually our first real snow. And all this snow, how much you see now, fell in less than 24 hours. So in this video I will show you some beautiful moments of this beautiful snowstorm, but also tell you how the November was, because like I said, it has been a long autumn, but it really hasn't been that bad how a November could be here in the far north. The autumn was actually so unusually warm that I was somehow losing already my hope, thinking how it could actually really be that we don't get any snow before Christmas, or even worse, that we don't get real snow at all. But luckily my fears were groundless, and in the beginning of November we got some snow, but only for 2 days before it melted away. After that we had some very beautiful days, and especially sunrises and sunsets, because that's something what you can really enjoy only during the darkest months, because otherwise you should stay awake very late or get up like 2 a.m. or so. Then the weather changed and it became not only colder, but also the ground got a sweet white layer which looked so pretty. Even the lake got a very thin, but nevertheless a real ice layer. And now it's finally looking like how I think it should look like in November in Finland. The snowstorm was due to Wednesday, and Wednesday it also started. And it was just magical. Even though the wind is quite hard and cold, and it feels like there were ice raining straight to your face and so on, it's yet so beautiful. It looks, especially after such a long and very warm autumn, this pure whiteness, it looks so magical. The sheep weren't that interested to come out, but then they also came. Not like chicken, I don't know when will be the time where they will say that they want to go out again. We also did some snow work, but not everything, because it was still snowing so much. And a nice surprise was that our neighbor came already very early in the morning with the tractor, so walking on our road was a bit easier. Because it has been not only snowing, it has been so windy that there are like not sand dunes, but snow dunes everywhere where the wind can blow freely. And where was I going this morning as I filmed you the first videos? To the husky farm. Very unusual to be able to start the sledding season this early here, but we did it and it was so much fun to spend time with these funny souls again. So I hope you like this video. As you can see, November in Finland can contain all sorts of things. I wish you a happy weekend. Bye bye.